हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन. The kinetic energy of an electron in the second orbits of a hydrogen atom is dash when a naught is Bohr radius. So the question is asking what is the kinetic energy of an electron in the second orbit of a hydrogen atom in Bohr model where a naught is the Bohr radius. Option is given. Option A, it is h square, where h is Planck's constant. We know upon 4 pi square m a naught square, where a naught is Bohr radius. Option B, h square upon 16 pi square upon m a naught square. Option C, h square upon 32 pi square upon m a naught square. Option D, h square upon 64 pi square m a naught square. Okay, हमें यहाँ सेकेंड बोर ऑर्बिट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम पे काइनेटिक एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करना है किसी इलेक्ट्रॉन का. तो हमारा यहाँ की पॉइंट है एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. काइनेटिक एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज इक्वल टू हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर. हाफ एम बी स्क्वायर, where m is the mass of electron and b is the velocity of electron in any orbit. According to Bohr theory, angular momentum at any orbit of an electron is integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. So, in angular momentum L, we can write it is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi. N is the number of orbit. So angular momentum, it is what? It is mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Now if you find out the velocity, it is equal to v equal to nh upon 2 pi mr, where n is the number of orbit, h is the Planck's constant, and r is the radius of Bohr hydrogen atom in any orbit. So R having formula A naught n square upon z, where a naught is Bohr radius. Bohr radius. So for second orbit, value of n equal to 2, and for hydrogen atom, atomic number is z equal to 1. So r equal to a naught n is 2 square upon z. If we put the value of r in this equation 1, v equal to nh upon 2 pi mr. So it is equal to, if you substitute the value of r, 2 pi mr is a naught 4, and value of z is 1. So it is nh upon 2 pi m a naught 4 and n is the number of orbit. So 2 into h upon 2 pi m a naught 4 2 to cancel out is equal to h upon 4 pi m a naught. If you put the value of V in equation of kinetic energy equal to half mv square, it is equal to half m v is h upon 4 pi m a naught its whole square. So half m h square 16 pi square m square a naught square. So m here cancel out, we find h square upon 32 pi square m a naught square. So answer C, option C is the correct option. I hope you have understand the video solution and it found it helpful. Thank you.